Namaskara friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about one of nature's hidden medicines. Today's topic is Nela Nelli. Many people see this small plant on the gardens and ignores it because it's a small but not it's a waste. But it has incredible medicinal benefits. In Kannada, we call it Nela Nelli, and its scientific name is Phyllanthus niruri. It grows naturally in moist areas and fields after rainfall. You can find it commonly in villages, gardens, and roadside soil. This plant, famous in Ayurveda, you may think what it is famous in Ayurveda. It is famous for curing kidney stones, liver problems, and jaundice. See, it's a small plant, but it is very useful for us human. But humans are waste. Humans are not used for its own benefit also. It then this plant also known to boost immune system and improves digestion. Oh, this plant is improves our immune system and it is easy to digest our food. See, guys, people used these leaves and roots to prepare herbal medicines and tooth problems like Nelanalli grows easily in wet soil, especially after monsoon. It does not need much care. Nat- Nature grows itself. If we plant it purposely, we can save many peoples from health issues. Oh guys, we can save many peoples by planting this plant many peoples from many problems. Ah, so friends, next time you see Nilanalli, do not ignore it. Share this information, grow it near your home, and let's create awareness together. Nelanalli is truly gift from nature. Summary of this is this Nelanalli has many medicinal values and it is very important to our humans. From this, we can cure many diseases. Like as usual, I told kidney stones, liver problems, jaundice, and tooth problems. See, farming like honeybees, it will also use it. And then if we put a cultivator for this, it will become a manure for other agricultural plants. So guys, you can plant this in a garden. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment,